Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Robuilder YouTube channel. Today what we're going to be doing is another very short video, how to make a chain, okay? Basically, you're going to start out with a torus, click on this little guy right here. Also, to get the thing into your little spot right there, if you're real new to Blender, you got to do Shift A, and that's how you bring in all the new stuff. Major segments. Let's put this down to like 8. No, let's do 6. 6 looks better to me, and this will be 8, all right? So we got a kind of a chain look right now. We're going to click on this guy right here and then click one of these, hold Alt and click it again. That's going to select the whole ring around that right there. And then we're going to hold Shift and Alt to select this ring as well. And then we're just going to press S and X, and that's going to scale it out this way. Now, this will work as a low poly chain. You could just Shift D, and then let me just snap over to this way, rotate 90, perfect. And you could bring this guy out, and you can make these as many segments as you want. And you can also export them each individually, so you can place all of them how you want in a Roblox Studio. But yeah, that's how you make a chain. You can up or down these segments to make them more smooth, more high poly, anything like that. All right, guys, so I went ahead and put a texture on it real quick and just moved them away a little bit so you can tell. Very simple to make these chains. You just grab one of these and you can bring it however you want. So Shift D, move it, and then of course, you know, we got to kind of snap this guy R90, snap him like that, and then we can bring him this way, and you know, we kind of messing this guy up a little bit, so we got to rotate this way, and there we go. Add it onto our chain. Super simple. You could do this in Studio too if you just want to make one chain and then do all the rotating and everything like that in Studio. You'll be all good. But that is going to wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy and you want to see more, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.